Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warbirds over Delaware 2025, the last day. Yes folks, there's sadness in my voice, smile on my face, because folks, we got a stunning ESM models ME109. Now folks, if you're not familiar with ESM models, sadly they're not in business anymore, but they made really just some fantastic Warbirds, inexpensive. They're composite fuselage, built up wings, and horizontal stabilizer, as well as the rudder and the elevator. Really very easy to put together, and they really did a stellar job with all of their schemes for all their planes. And let me tell you folks, this ME109 is not short at all of a really beautiful camouflage scheme. So folks, sit back, relax, put your tray tables in the upright position, and enjoy the flight. Love an onboard electric start, folks. Very cool. Whoops, whoop. Good catch, good save. That narrow landing gear on the ME109 does make it a handful on the ground, and we've got a pretty good crosswind coming across the field too, so this is going to be a challenging takeoff, folks. Oh, bringing it back in.
I'm going to be back, so my motor's just running a little bit too.
I hear you, I hear you. All right friends, we're going to come back later. More to come. All right friends, continue our coverage here of the beautiful ESM 109. We're back. Some engine work, always important. She is pretty. I'll be honest with you folks, very nice. There you go. folks, that's forget about it, Achtung butter right there. Forget about it, Achtung butter. That's when you've got a German plane that lands so smooth at such a high speed you can't help but to say forget about it. Very nice, folks, very nice. Great airplane, phenomenal pilot. Just a joy to watch. Seems to be stuck out there. Folks, I think we're going to say adieu. All right, friends, more to come.